Hello friends. Outpot, you've ever paid a large amount of cash into your bank, sold a car, received a gift from your children, or simply moved your own savings from one account to another. There's something happening behind that counter that almost nobody explains to you. Your bank is watching that money, not because they suspect you of anything, because by law they have to. And here's the part that catches good, honest people out again and again. It isn't the watching that causes the trouble. It's what people do once they find out about it. Banks don't explain this system to you. There's no leaflet at the counter that says, "Here's how to bank a large sum without causing a problem." The rules exist. They're being applied to your account right now. And the first time most people learn about them is when something's already gone wrong. Today I'm going to explain exactly how this works, and, more importantly, the one simple habit that keeps you completely safe. Outpot, you're not subscribed. Do that now. This channel exists to explain exactly this kind of thing before it catches you out, not after. Stay to the end because I'll show you the exact 5-minute habit that protects you for the rest of your life, and it costs nothing. A lot of people believe there's a magic number, often £10,000, that automatically triggers a report to the government the moment you cross it. That's an American rule. The UK doesn't work that way. There's no automatic threshold form here. But, and this matters, no automatic form does not mean nobody's looking. The UK system is more discretionary, which is exactly what makes it easy to misunderstand. Mechanism name. The legal framework is the Proceeds of Crime Act 2002, POCA. Banks, solicitors and accountants have a legal duty. Outpot they know, suspect, or have reasonable grounds to suspect money might be linked to crime, they must file a Suspicious Activity Report, SAR, with the National Crime Agency. There's no minimum amount. A £200 transaction can trigger a SAR outpot. The pattern looks wrong. A £50,000 deposit with a clear explanation might trigger nothing at all. The word is structuring, sometimes called smurfing. It's breaking a sum into smaller deposits to avoid drawing attention. A few thousand on Monday, a few thousand on Thursday, maybe at a different branch. It feels careful. To detection software, it looks exactly like someone trying to stay under the radar, because that's the exact pattern it's built to catch. The software can't tell the difference between a criminal hiding money and a pensioner spreading out a deposit on bad advice. Enforcement agencies can apply to a magistrate's court, not a senior court, for an account freezing order under the Criminal Finances Act 2017. The threshold is only reasonable grounds to suspect the money may be recoverable. No conviction, no charge, no arrest required. The application can be made without you being told in advance. And here's the part that feels almost impossible to believe. Under Section 333A of POCA, a bank employee who tells you a SAR has been raised commits a criminal offence. So when you call confused about a declined card, the honest answer you'll get is, "I'm afraid I can't discuss that." For each of these, name it, explain the safe move, name the proof to keep. Selling something for cash, car, jewellery, etc. Deposit the full amount in one transaction. Keep the bill of sale. A cash gift from family, not taxable to you as income. Deposit in one go. Keep a one-line dated note. Gift. No repayment expected. Consolidating your own savings, moving money you already own, spread over weeks, still reads as structuring. Move it in one transfer, Keep both statements. Inheritance received as cash. Deposit as one sum. Keep the grant of probate or executor's letter. A large lump sum from an official source, pension lump sum, compensation, matured investment. Leave it as one deposit. Don't shuffle it into smaller pots out of nerves. The thread through all five, the instinct, spread it out, keep it quiet, is the opposite of the safe move. Deposit it whole, keep the paperwork. Outpot asked where the money came from. Answer in one calm sentence. I sold my car. It's a gift from my daughter. I'm consolidating my savings. Hand over the paperwork. Outpot, you have it. Never say anything like, I didn't want it to get flagged. Phrases like that read as, Outpot, you already know the rules and are trying to avoid them. So here's where we are. There's no UK £10,000 auto report threshold. That's a myth from the US. Structuring, breaking deposits into smaller chunks, is the single behaviour most likely to cause a freeze. Freezing orders can happen without a conviction and without warning, and bank staff are legally barred from explaining why. And, in every real-life situation, selling something, a gift, moving your own savings, an inheritance, a lump sum, the safe move is always the same. Deposit it in full and keep the paperwork. Start a folder, paper or digital, called something simple like proof of funds. Every time a meaningful sum lands in your account, add 3 things. A one-line note of what it was and when, the supporting document, and the bank statement showing it landing. That folder is the entire defence, and you'll likely never need it, but outpot you ever do, it turns a stressful few months into a 5-minute conversation. Subscribe and outpot you know someone about to sell something valuable or come into a bit of money. Send them this. It could save them months of stress.